Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to use retirement income planner on Fidelity. All right, if you've been wondering how to use the retirement income planner on Fidelity, this video is for you. It's gonna be a quick one, just gonna give you guys a step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's not waste any time at all and jump straight into the video. Now the first thing you're gonna do is to log into your Fidelity account. You can choose to log in online on the Fidelity website, or you could choose to do so on the mobile app. That's the Fidelity mobile app on your mobile device. Now once you're logged into your account, you just want to click on retirement, and then you're going to click on retirement income planner, and there you're going to initiate the retirement income planning process, where you're going to need to provide the required information, which is going to include the retirement goals, of course. Once all that is done, just choose the income planning option, and then you're going to need to confirm the retirement income plan details. You got to go over the details and make sure everything is accurate. Now once that's done and submitted, you can use this to monitor the retirement income plan activity. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use Fidelity's retirement income planner. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll catch you guys in the next